guys, welcome back. Right, I'm going to show you a job that I hate the most, and that's cleaning out the litter tray. Well, I've solved the problem now, but I want to show you what I actually did. Because I used to leave all the cat litter in there. The cat would obviously go to the toilet, and then it was cleaning it out, and it was like taking all the stuff out, and then it was washing it and disinfecting it, and then it was like taking me about half an hour. And I thought that there has to be a different way on how to clean out this. One, because I didn't really want to do it, but I love the cat. So what I got these little cat litter trays, and they're £1 from Tesco, these ones were, and you just have the liner inside, and then you put your litter in there. And I thought, oh, problem solved, I haven't got to clean it anymore, I can just do this and it's fine. Not with my cat. Obviously my cat likes to dig after she's been to the toilet, and she likes to dig, so I thought, oh god, I was taking this out and it was taking actually all the cat litter, but then it was wet and it was horrible all underneath. So I thought, well, I'm still washing the tray, I'm still disinfecting the tray. So I came up with the bag that I've got here. I actually cut that bit out, and as it has like a little wax feeling on here, I actually put that into the tray and then fill it with the cat litter. And then there's no mess whatsoever, and then I can pull this out and chuck it. But these ones cost £1. The cat litter costs £1.95, so that's quite a cheap option, and I can change it a few times in the week. If you haven't got any of these and you're changing it more times, then you can use an old cereal box, and it's just exactly the same thing on there. So when she's actually going to the toilet and she's digging, she's not making any holes at the bottom here. So if you haven't got any of these left, then just use these. Now these are just swing bin liners, and they were 30 for about £1.75, so you're getting more bags. So let me show you up close. So here's your bag. Remember, they come in 30, so each bag is round about 6p each, which I think that's a bargain. Then we need to put our little liner in, so that stops the cat scratching. I use about a quarter of the bag, so that's about 50p, so it's about 56p in each litter clean, which I think is a bargain, and in this climate, you know, is reasonable. So all we do, you put your hand inside the bag there, and we just take the back of the bag underneath, then you just pull it out, and then there's no mess. So I hope that's helped you out with your cat, and it saved me a lot of time. It saved me a lot of cleaning, you know, cleaning, disinfecting. I've disinfected it now, so that's fine. Leave a comment below, good or bad, if I'm doing it right, I'm doing it wrong. Whatever your experiences are, that'd be most welcome if you tell me. So if you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell, and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next video.